Here we are.
301 maybe?
We're in the Peasant Ridge. You got JP. J-Tick is gonna do the dirty deed. They have a lot of big trees in here.
I gotta turn around first so we can get away quick.
There's this house right there. He doesn't have those UNC shutters anymore. Where's his car?
Yeah, he did change his color.
Sure he did.
Is he not there?
Well, we'll try it.
Maybe he parked in the garage. JP, how can I record it if you're doing this?
Oh,
You
okay.
have to get up like in front of the house.
I can't see the road.
Alright, this is good right here. Jay can get out and run.
You gotta go see the door.
Can you see the door?
No. Get back up. You might want to turn it a little bit.
Oh, yeah.
Alright, I got it.
Probably not. The mailbox?
Alright, ready?
Okay, here we go.
On your mark. Get set. Go. Leave me. You should have left Jay.
That's not how this works.
I don't think he answered. Hey, well done, Jay.
Yeah,
Good job.
good job.
JP, good driving. Tim, good filming. Thank you, Tim.